Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix HVCI enabled error in Valorant. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're trying to fix the HVCI enabled issue in Valorant on Windows 11, the process is actually very simple. First, understand why this error happens. The HVCI enabled error in Valorant happens because Valorant's anti-cheat system, Vanguard, is not fully compatible with a Windows security feature called memory integrity. So to fix this, the first thing you need to do is go to your desktop and open the search bar, type settings, and once it appears, click to open it. After you enter the settings menu, head over to privacy and security on the left hand side. From there, scroll down and select Windows Security. Inside Windows Security, choose the option called Device Security. When you open it, look under the Core Isolation section and then click Core Isolation Details. Here, you will see the Memory Integrity toggle. If memory integrity is turned on, this is what triggers the HVCI issue with Valorant. So, in order to fix the error, you have to switch off the memory integrity option. Once you toggle it off, you may be asked to enter your password. Simply confirm it. Memory integrity is a Windows 11 security feature designed to protect your system by isolating and blocking suspicious drivers. However, Valorant's Vanguard requires full, low-level access to your system to function properly. When memory integrity is turned on, it restricts certain kernel-level operations Vanguard needs. Because of this conflict, Valorant detects the restriction and shows the HVCI enabled error, preventing the game from launching until the feature is turned off. After turning it off, restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, the issue should be resolved and Valorant will run without the HVCI error, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix HVCI enabled error in Valorant. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.